Alright, so I'm over here at Microsoft Whiteboard, and you must be wondering why would I be at Microsoft Whiteboard when we're supposed to be coding? But the thing is that one of the most important aspect of code is actually the mockup, which is very, 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 very important to any coding or whatever that you're going to do. So you have to have a blueprint or whatever that you're going to be laying out. You want to lay that out before you actually start your coding. So for this website, it's gonna be a little bit progressive, and it's not gonna be like something that we have to worry too much about. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create something very simple, and I don't have my my wireless mouse got messed up. So what I'll be working with is just the trackpad or whatever. So the first thing that we want is we know that this thing is going to be in a circle. So let me get this thing or not a circle in a square. So it's going to look something of the sort of this. So something of the sort of that. All right. So you see it fixes it for us. That's great. And then we're going to have ourselves a logo. That's important as well. So the logo is going to go here. So we're gonna have our logo here, so we can put something like that. And I think we could also put like the company name. So we could have like the name of the website here. So we could put name or whatever here. So this is uh very important in terms of design and whatever. The next thing that I would like to have is over here we have some navigation stuff. So for one, we could have our about page. So we'll have definitely have our about page. So everything like this will be in our navigation. We could also have a contact page. And the reason why this is looking so ugly is because I do not have the mouse that I would really like to have now, but because of coronavirus, I can't go and get one. And I think that's about it. We could also have a home. We could put some icons on this as well. So we could have some icons that would be here. One thing that I'm considering is like a sign up and sign in button, but we don't really have to worry about that at the moment. So this will be our our navigation. We could have something divide or whatever. I'll decide. I'm not sure if I would put the divider here. I'll just think about it, and then we could have let's say some text around here, or we could have like a hero or image going across. I think I'll put the image somewhere along the lines of here. So we have an image here, and on the side we have some text. I'll probably have a button that says read more or something like that. We can have a read more button here, and further down we just change the color and add like let's say courses or whatever. We could have boxes here with some further text. And the type of website we're going to build is a educational type website. Probably should have noted that. Or this could be the footer. So we could pretty much have the footer with some social media icons down here to not let it be such a big, because it's gonna be static. So we don't want it to be all big and everything. So we just have uh, some social media links and some other links to different pages over the website. Uh, the about page, the home standard, the about page standard, just the same. The contact us page, however, what I think I want to look at for the contact us page is, let me just bring this down some more. About page will be pretty much standard in a sense where you just have some text and some image, but for the contact us page, what I'll do is let's put another box here, pray that Microsoft. Yes, great. And we'll have the same navigation here. So we'll have the same navigation, but in here we're going to have a form where I think we could put style it as some image probably or whatever. But we know that on this side we'll have probably could have like a map of the location of where we are. So this could be a map. We could use the Google API to grab a map and our maps whatever, and then we'll have a form. So this will be the form for the name, first name, last name, or whatever name that we want to use. Their email, because we want to know where to send this thing to. It's a little bit big, so we could have their email as well. So this will be name and email. The next thing that we'll have is the message. So whatever message that they will send, uh, that's what we'll have in a bigger text area field. And finally, we'll have maybe a cancel button probably. So we'll have like a cancel, and we have a submit. So they'll be able to send us a message. So we have like a submit here, and then the footer will be standard, just the same. We'll have the same footer for each of the page and the same navigation. So this will be our contact us page. So we could have that in the title as well. Somewhere along the lines here, we could have contact us or whatever here. So we'll have pretty much only 3 pages: the about, the home, and the contact us page. So it will be mostly in terms of style and design or whatever on here. Uh, for the about us page now, again, it's gonna be standard as I said earlier. So let's see if we can just put something together as I have a bit of time. So let's just do that. So let me get a box here going, and great. And we're gonna have the same navigation, a box about, let's give the title here. One thing that we're gonna do is that whenever the user is on a different page, we want to have the navigation to be active. So if they're on about, then it's going to show that they're on the about page. And here, I guess we could have some basic information. We could split the page in two. I have some information over here. We could have an image over here. Then we could have some text right here. And then we could have an image down here. Some basic information about the company or whatever. So let me just minimize this, and then we can see what we are working with. Hopefully you can see what we're working with. So this is basically it. The about us, the contact page, the home page, the contact us page, and the about us page. This is pretty much it for our mockup. I know that this doesn't look all that, but when we actually get into the design, then we'll see how this thing actually comes into play. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.